these engines uses augmenters. Augmenters, you can say there are two type of augmentation. One is afterburner system where fuel is injected at the exhaust, and additional thrust is being produced. And this bypass engines also using this uh, extra fuel in jet nozzle to get thrust augmentation, and some of the engines using the injection of water methanol in combustion chamber or compressor. So these are the thrust augmentation types. So two types of thrust augmentators are there. So these thrust augmenters will augment the thrust of the engine to produce high speed, but they will consume more fuel also. In afterburner, to increase the thrust by adding more fuel nozzle and flame holders in exhaust system, extra fuel can be sprayed and burned, which can give large increase in thrust for short amounts of time. This turbofan gas turbine engine is in principle same as turboprop, except the propeller is replaced by a duct enclosed axial flow fan. The fan can be a part of first stage compressor blade. Fan can be part of first stage compressor blade, or can be mounted as a separate set of fan blade. The blades can be mounted forward of the compressor. The principle of the fan engine is to convert more of the fuel energy into pressure energy. With more of energy converted to pressure, a greater product of pressure times area can be achieved. See, in turbofan engine it is a greater advantage that production of this additional thrust without increasing the fuel flow. The end result is fuel economy with the consequent increase in range, because more of fuel energy is turned into pressure in turbofan engine. Additional stage must be added in the turbine section to provide power to drive the fan. There is a less energy left over and less thrust from the core exhaust gases. Also, in a mixed exhaust nozzle, where fan air and core air mix in a common nozzle before entering ambient condition. The exhaust nozzle must be larger in area. The result is that fan develops most of the thrust. The thrust produced by the fan more than makes up for the decrease in thrust of the core. Here core is, we can say it is a gas generator also. This core is a gas generator of the engine. Depending on the fan design and bypass ratio, it produces 80% of the turbofan engine's total thrust. Two different exhaust nozzle design are used with turbofan engine. Air leaving the fan can be ducted overboard by separate fan nozzle, or it can be ducted along the outer case of the basic engine to be discharged through the mixed nozzle core and fan exhaust together, because this air is, whatever air is being sucked by the fan to the front of the compressor, and this air is divided in two flow, primary flow and secondary flow. Secondary flow goes to the outer section and primary air goes to the core of the engine. This primary air which is flowing to the core of the engine is utilized for the purpose of combustion, and secondary flows which is bypassing, it is going outer case and it is going to the exhaust, and the core of the air and this air which is flowing outside the core, both are mixing together at the exhaust, and it will produce more thrust when we discharge to the atmosphere, or you can say to the ambient. So this engine is more useful and economical because thrust is being produced without increasing the fuel flow, and it can produce more thrust by increasing the airflow in the exhaust. So this thrust is produced by turbofan engine, or most widely used gas turbine engine for air transport aircraft. The turbofan engine is a compromise between the good operating efficiency and high thrust capability of turboprop and the high speed, high altitude capability of turbojet. Turboprop engine is a gas turbine engine that turns propeller, a speed reduction gearbox. This type of engine is the most efficient in the 300 to 400 or 450 mph speed range, and can use shorter runway than other aircraft. Approximately 85% of energy developed by the gas turbine engine is used to drive the propeller, and rest of the energy available exit the exhaust as a thrust. Turboshaft engine used in aviation is a gas turbine engine made to transfer horsepower to a shaft to operate something other than propeller. They use primarily to power helicopters and auxiliary power units. The auxiliary power units are used on large aircraft to provide electrical power and bleed air on the ground and emergency backup power in the flight. Thank you very much. This is for that today.